Assalamualaikum viewers. Do you want to learn English? क्या तुम इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो? If you want to learn English, so you have to follow some rules. अगर इंग्लिश सीखना चाहते हो, इंग्लिश सीखने के लिए कुछ उसूलों को आपने फॉलो करना है। उनमें सबसे पहला उसूल है प्रैक्टिस. You should do practice a lot. किस तरह आपने प्रैक्टिस करना है? Let's suppose here is a person and he's been watching cricket for around about 3 or 4 months, but he's not playing. एक शख्स क्रिकेट को देख रहा है 3 और 4 महीनों से और वो खुद नहीं खेल रहा, तो वो कभी भी उन खिलाड़ियों की तरह नहीं खेल जाएगा जो ग्राउंड में खेल रहे हैं. उसी तरह if you will just listen, if you're just listening and you're not speaking, you will never learn English. If you're feeling shame that when I'll speak English, people will laugh. Okay, so you will never learn English. आप लोगों ने प्रैक्टिस करना है. अगर वो शख्स खुद बाल को पकड़ेगा, बैट को पकड़ेगा, सो एक अच्छा खिलाड़ी बन जाएगा. उसी तरह पर आप इंग्लिश पर खुद प्रैक्टिस करोगे, सो इंग्लिश सीख जाओगे. How to learn English? The second rule is environment. When a laborer is working here in Pakistan and then he's going to European countries after spending time in England, when he's coming back to Pakistan, so he's speaking English so fluently. वहाँ पर कुछ वक्त गुजारने के बाद जब वो पाकिस्तान आता है, अंग्रेजी को फ्लुएंटली बोलता है. ड्यू टू व्हाट? ड्यू टू एनवायरनमेंट. अब माहौल आपको दो तरह से मोटिवेट करता है. एक है इंट्रिंसिक और एक है एक्सट्रिंसिक. ओके, इंट्रिंसिक किस तरह होता है? व्हेन यू आर सेइंग दीस वर्ड्स टू योर हार्ट दैट आई कैन स्पीक इंग्लिश, यू आर मोटिवेटिंग योरसेल्फ, आई कैन लर्न इंग्लिश इज इजी. और एक्सट्रिंसिक उस तरह होता है कि जब when your teacher is going to motivate you, your friends are appreciating you, so environment is here for you and you will learn. But when you are speaking English, अगर कोई आपसे कह रहा है अंग्रेज के बच्चे चुप हो जा, so definitely आपका जज्बा फिर नीचे हो जाता है और आप इंग्लिश बोलने की कोशिश नहीं करते. आज के वीडियो में मैं आप लोगों के साथ तीसरे उसूल को शेयर करने वाला हूँ कि इंग्लिश को किस तरह सीखा जाए. तीसरा उसूल है नो शेम नो शाय. If you want to learn English, if you want to speak English, so no need to feel any type of shame. अगर इंग्लिश बोलना चाहते हो तो शर्माने की कोई बात नहीं. A lot of students are feeling shame. They are thinking that we will do mistake. Once you will do mistake, twice, thrice. Nobody is perfect. Do mistakes. Try to learn something from your mistakes. Because in the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is telling us, يُرِيدُ اللَّهُ أَن يُخَفِّفَ عَنْكُمْ وَخُلِقَ الْإِنسَانُ ضَعِيفًا. Human is humble. Human will do mistakes. And people will laugh beyond you once, they will laugh twice, thrice. Okay? But do not panic about the street words. Let them laugh. They will laugh. Let them laugh. But keep focus on your own aim which you have to achieve. चौथा उसूल है be talkative. You people have to talk a lot in English. Do not care about someone. People will do backbiting beyond of you. लोग आपकी ग़ैबत करेंगे. लोग कहेंगे प्ला शख्स इंग्लिश में बहुत ज़्यादा बातें करता है. Do not care. Just keep focus on your own speaking and try to think that I'm practicing English regularly for 2 hours, 3 hours or for 10 hours. आप लोगों ने इंग्लिश में ज़्यादातर बातें करनी है. अगर तुम कर सकते हो सो रोज़ाना के बेसिस पर 12 घंटों से भी ज़्यादा इंग्लिश में बातें करो. इंग्लिश को जल्द सीखने के लिए when I'll talk about myself, so I'm speaking English more than Pashto and more than Urdu. That's why I'm gonna recommend each and everyone that talk a lot in English. If you like my video, so try to subscribe my YouTube channel as well as follow my Facebook. इंग्लिश को किस तरह सीखा जाए, आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ 5 उसूल को शेयर करने वाले हूँ. Reading books, as you all are saying, it's already written by me about reading books. Whenever you want to learn English, so for learning English, you people have to read books. आप लोगों ने किताबों को ज़्यादातर पढ़ना है, मैगजीन्स को पढ़ना है. You people have to read newspapers, novels, magazines. जब आप किताब को पढ़ोगे तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादातर सेंटेंसेस में, वोकैबुलरी में डिफिकल्टी आने लग जाएगी. You will find all those type of stuff very difficult. वो आपको बहुत मुश्किल लग जाएगा. लेकिन आप लोगों ने हिम्मत नहीं हारना है. आप लोगों ने बार-बार रीड करना है. With the help of reading, you will improve your English skills. You will learn new vocabulary. You will learn a lot of sentences. How to learn English? Rule number 6: vocabulary. Whenever you want to learn English, so you people have to learn a lot of vocabulary. If you're not learning, it will be difficult to speak fluently. For speaking fluently, there's a need of vocabulary. For example, I'm going to share a story with all of you, and there must be some vocabulary. There must be some specific words. I'll speak fluently, but if I don't know anything about the vocabulary, that what I have to use, where I have to use that word, what is the meaning of that word, so definitely I'll fly a break. So for speaking fluently and for learning English, you people have to learn a lot of vocabulary. I'm going to recommend each and everyone that learn at least around about 20 to 30 words. vocabulary regularly in English. अंग्रेजी को सीखने के लिए आज मैं आप लोगों के साथ सात उसूल को शेयर करने वाला हूँ. Rule number 5 and 6 was vocabulary in reading books. Now you people have to repeat those words, that particular vocabulary which is already done by you. You people have to repeat it again and again. Rule number 7, repetition. If you're not repeating, definitely you will forget. और बहुत ज़्यादा तलबा ये सवाल करते हैं असاتज़ा इकराम से कि मैं वोकेबलरी को सीख जाता हूँ, रोज़ाना मैं बहुत ज़्यादा अल्फाज सीख लेता हूँ, लेकिन फिर with the passage of time I'm gonna forget it. वक्त गुजरने के साथ साथ मैं फिर भूल जाता हूँ. Due to what? What do you think? What's the main reason? The main reason is that you are not repeating it again and again. If you're not repeating, definitely you will forget. So I'm gonna recommend each and everyone that use that particular vocabulary or sentences in your conversation with your friend. Today I'm gonna share the last rule with all of you, that how to learn English. Actually, rules are so more, but I have made 8 rules for learning English. A lot of students are gonna ask this question from me that if I wanna learn English, so what should I do in the beginning? What I have to do? So definitely you should follow some rules for learning English. Rule number 4 was practice signals environment. 3rd, no sham, no shy. 4th, Pythagorean facts, reading books. 6th number, vocabulary. Repetition of words was number 7th, and now the 8th and the last number rule as note words. There must be a page and a pen with you when you're walking on a way, and you should note words. If you don't know about someone and you're seeing a thing over there in the middle of bazaar or when you're walking on a way, so note that word on a page and ask from your teacher or search in it. Or if you're doing conversation with your friend and you're hearing a new sentence, so note it. You will learn inshallah. So if you like my video, do not forget to follow as well as to subscribe.